So hello and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am here in Kevadia to show you the Valley of Flowers Park, which is near the Statue of Unity, and I will also tell you that whether this place is worth a visit or not, along with showing you all of the flowers here. So make sure to watch this video till the end and subscribe the channel if you haven't. So this park is also known as Bharat Van, which is spread in 24 acres of land along the banks of Narmada river. And to enter inside this park, you must have the Statue of Unity entry ticket or viewing gallery ticket to visit here for free. Along with seeing these beautiful flowers here, you can also get a view of the Statue of Unity on one side of the park, and on the another side of the park you can also see the Sardar Sarovar Dam, one of the largest in India. And now beginning with the flowers here. First flower I saw here was this hibiscus flower, which comes in many colors, but the red colored hibiscus is the most common one spotted all over India. Then we have is the Bougainvillea, and I spotted white and pink colors of this flower type here, and in some stages small white flowers can also be spotted on the plant. And this pinkish one is the Nerium oleander. There are more than 400 types of flowers here, but besides them, several photo booths and selfie points have been developed to take back fond memories of your visit. So, the Valley of Flowers Park began with 48,000 plants in 2016 and now has reached up to 22 lakh plants in 2021. So, I was just roaming around here in the park and I spotted a photo booth with no one being there. And when I went a bit close to it, I was stopped by a guard saying that this is only for the VIPs. So now continuing with the flowers, this white flower is a star jasmine and this orange and yellowish one is the firewheel. Then we have is the blue morning glory, which changes its color when it blossoms. Morning glories grow quite rapidly once established, up to 12 feet or more in one season. Then this yellowish one is the yellow oleander, known for its long lasting blossoms, a common one found all over India. So on one side of the park you will spot like no one, and on the another side near Statue of Unity it is filled with tourists. So this spot in the park resembles a rainbow of flower set up on earth and is a heaven for colorful flowering plants along the Narmada river. Moving on in the park you will spot a roof of pink flowers which is called as the butterfly pink bush. And under that pink roof you will see different types of roses, and the first rose you will see here is this pink Bourbon rose. Then we have is the red rose, and the last type of rose I saw here was the pink rose. So in this park, a right blend of ornamental flowers, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are planted along with various shades of foliage which form the green cover in this area and makes this small area enchanting, flamboyant and intriguing. Now coming back to the flowers, this orange and yellowish flower is the Gulmohar. Then this green bordered red colored leaves are Coleus, and alongside it you can also spot the Vinca red flower. Then the small red flower, another very common one found in India, is the Jatropha. Then we have is the foxtail bush orchid, which is also a decorative bush flower and can be used as making a colorful purple roof like the pink roof I showed you before. So here in the park there is also a spot where you can compare your paws with wild mammals like lion, hyena, leopard, porcupines, etc. by keeping your hand on different boxes, and you can know the size difference of hands in animals and humans. Again, coming back to the flowers, this one is the Euphorbia mili, which grows on a plant with thorns on it, and this long orange flower is the trumpet creeper. And at last, there were also so many marigold and periwinkle flowers in the park. So, was the Valley of Flowers Park worth a visit? I would say it's just an average park with not so unique flowers which are found everywhere in India. But sometimes here flower shows are also organized, but I think that is the time to see something different here. If you want to see more of the parks here in Kevadia, there are many others to see here, like the Butterfly Garden and Cactus Garden on another side of the river. And near the Statue of Unity, You can also see Vishwavan to see flowers from all over the world. So continue watching more of my kevadia videos by clicking here. Until then, thanks for watching.